Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen, the Crazy Wig Lady, and today this is fun. This is a new release from Jon Renau. This is Quinn, FS24 102S12, which of course is Laguna Blonde. Thank you so much for joining me here today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe. Also, this wig was provided to me for review from wigstudio1.com, so be sure to go over there. There'll be a link below this video to where this wig is available on the wigstudio1.com website, and be sure to join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Okay, brand new style, Quinn. This is such a fun, cute style. Can't wait to show it to you, so let's get started. Let's talk about Quinn. Wow, how cute. Short bob, shattered waves, lots and lots of movement. This is to be worn messy, just like it is. Now, if you watch my channel, you know I'm not a big fan of combing through these wigs that have a lot of wave in them. I like to just use some product, spray them a little bit. I have some Tressalure wig wax. If you haven't tried it, it is amazing. It is great to separate these curls, just like I'm showing you right here. I want you to know I haven't done anything to this wig. I just took it out of the box, threw it on my head, and I just want to show you how easy it is just to create some texture, just to separate these curls and just let them be what they want to be, which is just messy, fun, easy to wear style. Really nice. Now, let's dive into this color, Laguna Blonde FS24 102S12. Okay, it starts out with this 24 base. It's a medium golden blonde. Really pretty. Now, this wig is heavily highlighted with 102, which is platinum. To me, it's kind of almost an icy color, platinum blonde. I will insert some outdoor video of this as well. As you know, these studio lights make these blondes really bright, so I always want to show it to you outside so you get a really accurate representation of the color. And then it has a 12 root, which is the Jon Renau golden brown root. Really nice. Now the fit. This fit me a little large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I will need to take this up for sure. The coverage is good. There's my bow hair. Bow hair here. So it has really good coverage. A little longer bang. You could trim a bang into this if you wanted to. It has a beautiful Jon Renau lace front. But I like these fun beachy wave styles. The specs of Quinn, the front, the bang is 7.75. It comes in at a 9-inch crown. The sides are 5.75. It has that 4¼ inch nape, and it weighs 3 ounces. Again, it fits me pretty large, so if you have a larger head circumference, like I said, I'm 21¼ this might work for you because it is fitting me really large. Let's look at the inside of this cap. Here is a look at the inside of the cap of Quinn. Beautiful lace front, temple to temple, into a mono part. There is the slightest amount of permatease here and at the nape. Not a large amount, but there is a slight amount. Closed ear tabs with stays, open wefted, extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, and there is stretch here as well. And here's another look at Laguna Blonde. Okay, that was a look at the inside of the cap and a few styling options. Again, the density of this is low density. There is a tad of permatease, like I showed you right here, just to give it the slightest amount of lift right here. And there is some at the nape, just to let you know. That gives you this in the back, this movement, this shape. It keeps its shape. But it is not a large amount, just so you know that. Just want to make sure you're aware. Again, beautiful lace front. Jon Renau always does really nice lace fronts. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching. Again, please like and subscribe to my channel and check back here often. I upload at least 2 times a week. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time.